Bar glassware you should invest in. When you're trying to look like a true connoisseur, there's one thing that can really set the tone: glassware. You know there are so many options out there when it comes to buying glasses, but some people don't realize that not all of them are created equal. If you've been looking for a way to up your game at home, or even just want new glasses for yourself, then check out these different types of glassware you should invest in. From the humble wine glass to a true goblet, glasses have come quite far. Here are some types of drinks you can find in different kinds of vessels. 1. Everyday use glasses. Everyday use glasses are usually used during meals. They have a low price point since they face the highest chance of getting broken, especially when kids are around. For this type of glass, tumblers are considered to be the most common choice because they can also double as water or juice cups for your children at mealtime and stand up well against accidental bumps from other tableware like plates and serving bowls. 2. Wine glasses. You can purchase one set of stemware for everyday use and another more expensive, fancier set to be used only during special occasions. Regularly using the cheaper glassware is practical, while having a nicer collection that brings out your wine or liquor's flavors is less important but necessary at times like when you have company over. Wine glasses of your choice could be for red wine, white wine, and other types of wine glasses that need special attention are port, sherry, and Madeira, which are dessert wines. 3. Water goblet. The stem of a water goblet is stockier and shorter, which means it stands at the same height as wine glasses. The bowl on this type of glass has a deeper design than what's seen in standard drinking ware like wine glasses. For guests, the water goblet is the first stemware to be filled as you arrive, so there is no confusion about where the wine should be poured into. 4. Beer glasses. Beer glasses are a lead in themselves. With the numerous beer styles and types, it's no wonder that there is an extensive range of designs available for these wine glass counterparts. The most common style under this category would be the Weizen, Pilsner, Pint, Non-Ike glass, or even more uniquely shaped stage and mug glasses. 5. Liqueur glasses. Liqueur and cordial glasses are tiny but mighty vessels that serve to pour liqueurs or liquor into. Their capacity ranges from 1 ounce to 4.5 ounces, with the most popular of these two measurements. However, for those who enjoy a smaller drink like grappa, there is tulip-shaped stem glassware that has an average of fewer than 4 ounces. 6. Specialty glasses. The world of bartending is full of many different types of glasses. The most known are the coupe, martini glass, Collins glass, highball glass, and so on. But the pint can also be used instead of a smaller Boston shaker tin that isn't available. Glassware Buying Guide. Before you jump into buying your glassware, check out the tips listed here so you can be more informed. Use. When you are buying glassware, consider its use. If it is meant for daily use, go with the sturdier type with a thicker bottom and sides to withstand age-appropriate roughhousing. Material. When buying glasses, the material is worth consideration. When purchasing water glasses and everyday use glassware, borosilicate has high resistance to temperature changes, while soda lime is cheaper and more common as they're thick too. Consider using borosilicate for crystal luster at a fraction of the cost for special occasions or daily use. Care. When buying glassware, consider the time and enthusiasm you have for washing them. Find glasses that can withstand dishwasher detergent, wash pressure, and heat to avoid lackluster glasses. Thickness and color. If you are looking for a wine glass, then it is best to go with thin glasses. This is because the thickness of the glass affects how your drink tastes. Another thing that matters when buying stemware is color. A clear one being preferable, since this lets drinkers see just how appealing their chosen drinks look in them. Cost. Glassware is a crucial aspect of wine tasting. You can tell the difference in quality from glasses, and you should consider your budget before buying expensive stemware to serve cheap wines. Hosting your first party can be a daunting task, but it's also an initiation right into the world of entertaining. Having just one set of glasses will leave guests confused, and you might get embarrassed. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Advanced Mixology. Don't forget to hit the notification bell button for more information, tips, and delicious recipes.